listen to that noise. It's impossible not to. It's like a rattling train going through a tunnel. Oh, and my ear itches. Oh, it hates a scrap of nylon carpet. But better that than the kitchen floor and that animal. Dog. That's what she calls me. There's always a blow to follow. Listen to that sound. Now there's a whistle too. Oh, she eats too much. All these takeaways and the whiskey. Her idea of a joke is to eat a chicken leg whilst I stand waiting for my daily slice of bread. Look, my clothes don't fit anymore. But where can I find safety pins? Listen to all the traffic outside. All those buses, cars and people, all on their way to shop at Harrods. How can I tell them the truth about this carcass asleep in her bed above me? I speak no English. I rarely go out, and always with my keeper. Oh, she's so clever. She never makes a slip. Listen to that voice. That's the woman in the flat above. Her children are visiting. My children's voices swim round in my head at night. Will I ever see them again? The agency that fixed up this job at home have never paid a penny. They must have laughed to think just a country woman. My heart, listen, my heart is beating so fast. It wants to escape like me, but how? She has my passport. She's my jailer, and I'm her slave. I must find a way. It's been a year. Shh. She stops snoring. Maybe she can hear my thoughts. Listen. Before I fall sick and I'm so weak, I must act now. There. She snores again. I know where she hides the kitchen door key. I'll be brave and think of my family waiting. I'll be brave. I'll find that tall church at the end of the street. There must be a chance to be free.